first. And then, and also don't forget yours is no white top coat. Where's my no white top coat? Somewhere. Can you get it over there? My no white here. We need this too for ours. Crystal placement. Where I'm at, right there. And then of course this is a trio. Can't see it. Right there. Perfect. So I'm gonna do the condensed glue gel first. And then floating a 1 coat of the no wipe top coat on the top. Can I get the brush? The brushes I really just used earlier. Oh, it's over there. You see that? It's okay, I got it. You ask Lily, she might know where that right here. Yeah, right, that's all. Really thick density is mine's almost gone. Oh, so beautiful. It's really thick density, so you are going to blend it. With the flat back, you do not need to do is really thick, because if too thick, it's going to flood your crystal. However, if it's too thin, it's going to not holding your crystal in a good place. So I am using is really adorable. This is 2 pack that I'm going to do. So Insta pack crystal number 2, and then the transcendent crystal pack. I am loving it. For all of you who just start and you're not sure what design, this is, they are paired together. So when you get this pack, their ours is going to compatible together. So while we're doing that is to make it so easy for all of you, so then you can really enjoy what you're doing and not frustrated at all. Like, oh my god, it's so hard to pair them together. But it becomes really easy. And no white top coat. We are going to floating on the top. Okay. Don't you see that I don't really pull as hard and drag it down, just folding on the top, because you don't want to pull all your crystals, all your condensed glue gels off. You want it to stay and on the base of the no wipe top coat. I'm gonna need some frame and some beads. Okay, and here is the Insta Crystal Kits number 2. I'm not using my triangle and my shield, and then a frame, another frame, and then of course my mega mix of glow in the dark. It looks like it's not focused. Let's move this bestie on the side. That's better. Now is better. I want a big one on that one. I want to get a big crown. It's really easy, as a lot of us were asking, how do you start with the crystal placement if you are first starting into this really beautiful and fun crystal placement. It's really simple, it's really easy. Let me see. I'm looking for my tweezer. You see it? It should be here. Don't waste, just knock this one off. Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, it's okay, I got it. You put it on the side. And I'm going to add some beads on. So what you do is how do you start with the crystal placement? Get started is so easy. It sounds like really is hard to do, and then you are, after you're done with this, you get frustrated and you also get everything messed up. Your condensed glue gel stay on the top of your crystal. So I'm going to show you, it's really easy way. Just don't really feel frustrated. Just get the big centerpiece first. In this beautiful design, centerpiece is this 2 shape from the number 2 Insta pack. You can get that 2 shape, and then it is going to be your centerpiece, and you place them, important to place them really close and tight together. Just don't separate them out. When you place them tight together, then it's your crystal, and any other smaller beads you or shape or the size of the crystal you place along with this is going to be compatible with this. Just place them close, and then if you need to adjusting it, turn on to the other end, which is the dot 2, so then you can adjusting it easily without having is contaminate your condensed glue gels. And it's really cool thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, it is not going to cure until you are going to place them under the LED lights. Which is being said, it's not gonna be worry. You can place your beads, you place your crystal and exactly where you want, and if you need to adjusting it, like right now this had a little bit, it's like crooked, slides it off a little bit because I keep moving the crystal. But I'm going to using my dot 2 ends, and I am going to just give it a little bit quick adjust, which is really cool thing about it's not going to dry until you are going to cure. So you have all the time in the world to adjusting it until you are, can I get a paper, until you are happy with this. Can you cut me a couple of the paper, smaller one? It's right there. Just wipe up on the side, and then now you are going to cure. If you're happy with this, go into cure. Okay, it's all gone.